Good evening. We discuss transpose of a matrix from chapter 3. So here is the definition. So the matrix obtained by interchanging the rows and columns is called the transpose of that particular matrix. It is either denoted by AT or A bar. Example let us one. So here we consider a matrix A with number of rows 2 and columns 3. There rows are sekiyama 2 3 4. This is our first row. Now if we write the first row in terms of first column 2 3 4 first column and second row 1 2 3 in first in as a second column, then the new matrix obtained is called what? Transpose of the given matrix A. So generally আমি কেনে কব পাৰো, if we have a matrix A with order m cross n, then A transpose কি হ'ব তোমাৰ ij ঠাত কি হ'ব ji, because I gives you the row element and j gives you the column. So this row and column will get interchanged. What will have? Ji. Next amar properties of transpose of matrices. A transpose equal to A. Ka whole transpose equal to Ka transpose. K is any constant quantity. A plus B whole transpose equal to A transpose plus B transpose. A B whole transpose equal to B transpose A transpose. This is an important one. Now it's your homework to verify all these four properties by using examples. A jikunu eta matrix dhori loba, B jikunu eta matrix dhori loba, left hand side or right hand side proof koriba for each of the properties. See these two examples. Next symmetric matrices. A square matrix A, symmetric matrix hobole tumar first and foremost condition matrix to ki hobole square matrix. That means number of rows and number of columns must always be equal. So symmetric matrix kite hobo if A transpose equal to A. Dhora tumar osat matrix eta ase, your order ki ase tumar 3 because number of rows and number of columns is what? 3. So this is the matrix. A transpose koilo, that means interchange the rows and columns. So this row 1 we write as column 1, row 2 we write as column 2, and row 3 minus 5 3 1 we write as minus 5 3 1 as column 3. So ki dekha goise A aru A transpose eke hoy, so this condition is fulfilled. So what we said, yes, A is a symmetric matrix of order 3 since A transpose equal to A. Second skew symmetric matrix. So skew symmetric matrix hobolo tumar first and foremost condition the matrix should be a square matrix. If A transpose equal to minus A, that means what? AJI equal to minus AJI. Tumar rows or columns interchange korise minus AIJ. If I equal to J, I equal to J kori diu, then ki hobo? AII minus equal to minus AII. Left hand side lo na 2 AII equal to 0. That means 2 tumar constant, so you can divide it. What will get? AII equal to 0. AII ki hoy tumar diagonal elements khini A11 A22 A33 A44 enakwa elements bilakor value to ki hobo tumar 0. That means diagonal elements hoday ki hobo 0 when you have a skew symmetric matrix. So for a skew symmetric matrix, what we can say? AJI, when I is not equal to J, AJI equal to minus AIJ, and when I is equal to J, what will have? 0. So tumar yat this is a matrix A, a diagonal elements ki ase tumar 0. So 5, this element is what? 1 2. So A21 element will be what? Same but negative in sign, opposite in sign, sorry. So this element is what? A 2 3 So A 3 2 will be what? Opposite in 1 sign plus 1. A transpose কৰি দিবা A transpose কৰিলে তোমাৰ rows আৰু columns interchange হৈ যাব আৰু কি দেখিবা A transpose equal to minus A. ঠিক আছে so here A is a skew symmetric matrix so তোমাৰ diagonal element 0 হ'ব লাগিব আৰু তোমাৰ A I J and A J I same হ'ব but opposite in sign হ'ব A I J আৰু A J I same হ'ব but opposite in sign these elements are same but opposite in sign. Next we come to a theorem. It's an important theorem. কি কোৱা হৈছে any square matrix A square matrix হ'ব লাগিব with real entries. Two condition the matrix must always be a square matrix and the second condition the A must always have real entries. That means তোমাৰ complex entries হ'ব নোৱাৰে I থাকিব নোৱাৰিব complex number থাকিব নোৱাৰিব. Then A plus A transpose is a symmetric matrix and A minus A transpose is a what? Skew symmetric matrix. Proof to কৰি দেখাইছো very easy proof. Symmetric matrix হ'বলে কি হ'ব লাগে তোমাৰ we will check that if A transpose equal to A then the matrix A is what? A symmetric matrix. So আমাক কোনটো matrix symmetric দেখাব কৈছে A plus A transpose. So what will take? We will take the whole transpose of this matrix. A plus A transpose whole transpose. A transpose plus A transpose transpose. A transpose. A transpose transpose properties mode কি আছিল A. So what you can write? A plus A transpose whole transpose equal to A plus A transpose. So condition fulfilled. So what we can say A plus A transpose is a symmetric matrix. Next আমি কি দেখাব লাগে A minus A transpose is a skew symmetric matrix. So skew symmetric matrix কেতিয়া হয় তোমাৰ if A transpose equal to minus A. যদি A condition to fill up হয় then what will say this the matrix A is skew symmetric. এটা হে কাৰণে আমাৰ ইয়াত কি কৰিম A minus A transpose whole transpose লৈছো properties use কৰি transpose properties A transpose minus A transpose transpose A transpose minus A minus to common law minus A minus A transpose. So what we got A minus A transpose whole transpose equal to minus A transpose. So what this condition is fulfilled. Yet amar A matrix of height amar ki ase A minus A transpose matrix ase. So what we'll say A minus A transpose is a skew symmetric matrix. So ami next theorem 2 le ahu. Yet ki koise any square matrix. Condition কি হ'ব লাগিব the matrix must be a square matrix can be expressed as the sum of a symmetric matrix and a skew symmetric matrix. So take a square matrix A we can write A as what half of A plus A transpose sorry this will be plus half of A minus A transpose. So A plus A transpose কি হয় তোমাৰ symmetric matrix আৰু A minus A transpose তোমাৰ skew symmetric matrix. From the previous theorem আমি পাইছিলো for any square matrix A plus A transpose is a square matrix and A minus A transpose is a skew symmetric matrix and A can be written in this way. So we can say any square matrix can be written as the sum of a symmetric matrix and a skew symmetric matrix. So come to this question we have to show that for this matrix given matrix A plus A transpose is a symmetric matrix. A transpose উলিয়াই লোৱা given A দিয়া আছে A transpose উলিয়াই লোৱা rows আৰু column interchange কৰি কি হ'ব 1 6 row হৈ যাব আৰু 5 7 তোমাৰ second row হ'ব then A plus A transpose কৰি দিয়া corresponding elements plus হ'ব 1 plus 1 5 plus 6 6 plus 5 11 7 plus 7 sorry this will be what 14. Now what we have seen here 11 11 these two elements are same Aij is same as Aji and diagonal elements are different. So this is about symmetric matrix. Next A minus A transpose 1 minus 1 0 5 plus 5 minus 6 minus 1 6 plus 6 minus 5 1 0. So here tomar Aij is equal to Aji that means A1 2 is same as A21 but opposite in sign and diagonal elements ki paisa diagonal element 0 aru A12 equal to A21 same but opposite in sign. So this A minus A transpose is a what? Skew symmetric matrix, and A plus A transpose is a symmetric matrix. Next question, express, given this matrix, we have to express it as the sum of a symmetric and a skew symmetric matrix. That means we have to write this matrix A dia ase tomak, we have to write in this form. We have to write the given matrix in this form, sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. P বুলি ধৰিলো, আমি ধৰিলো P equal to half of A plus A transpose. So EG calculations কৰি পেলাই, matrix calculations কৰি পেলাই আমি কি পালো? This matrix. Again let আমি Q ধৰি লৈছো half of A minus A transpose. So calculations, these are easy matrix calculations. আমি matrix to কি পাইছো? 0 2 minus 2 0. So this is a what? Skew symmetric matrix. তাৰমানে আমি কি পালো? Half of A minus A transpose is a skew symmetric matrix because diagonal element 0 আছে আৰু 2 আৰু minus 2, A12 and A21 are same but opposite in sign. So yet so P transpose 3 3 3 minus 1. So what? A12 আৰু A21 are same. That means P is a what? Symmetric matrix and Q transpose is a skew symmetric matrix. ঠিক আছে? Now what will say? P plus Q. P plus Q মানে আমাৰ P আমি কি ধৰিছিলো? Half of A plus A transpose ধৰিছিলো আৰু Q আমি ধৰিছিলো half of A minus A transpose. P value আমি this matrix and Q is this matrix. This is the value of Q. Sum কৰি দিছো. Sum কৰিলে আমি কি পাইছো? 3 5 1 minus 1. What? This is the value of the given matrix A. So আমি কি গম পাইছো? A can be expressed as the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. So this type of questions come in your higher secondary final exams. It's an important type of question. So you have to learn the procedure of this type of questions. So you are given a matrix, you have to find that you have to express the matrix in the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. So these are very common type of questions, so must learn. So you have a question, it's a homework for you and it is a mandatory for this square matrix given. Express this as symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Procedure is same as before. Do it.